investigation reports.
Lord, what has happened in this matter is, it's really a dispute relating to some immobile property between two parties, my lord. If your lordship looks at annexure C at page 28,
Why did you want to inquire about
I'll
that?
tell your lordships, why. My lord, P1, first petitioner is a social worker. She is known to second petitioner, her friend, her cousin. She is a neighbor of the person who lodged the complaint. Your lordship may,
Sub-inspector is the complainant.
a sub-inspector is the complainant. Your lordship sees there was a complaint that was lodged by one Lakshmamma. Your lordship may kindly look at annexure J at page 43. Crime number 144 of 24. The complaint is annexure K at page 48. It is lodged by one Lakshmamma
Against whom?
against one Nagaraj, who is the neighbor. Nagaraj is husband's brother's son. She lodges a complaint on 28/6/24 at 9:45 p.m. The offences are 506, 341, 504 and 323. Lord, they are neighbors. Lakshmamma and Nagaraj are neighbors.
All right.
He tries to, my lord, illegally occupy a portion of Lakshmamma's property. So, my lord, if your lordship looks, Lakshmamma's address is 28/2. P3 and P3 to P6 are neighbors. Their all address is 29/2. So, P2 is known to Lakshmamma. She informs P1 and says, Lakshmamma has lodged a complaint against this Nagaraj on 28/6 at 9:45 p.m. The police have not done anything about it. He has come back to the property on 29/6 and he has assaulted Lakshmamma's daughter, Manjula. And he assaults her, and that Manjula undergoes hospital treatment. Your lordship would see at page 55, annexure N. She is admitted to the hospital on 29/6/24 at 8:36 p.m.
Yes.
This Nagaraj's wife, Saubhagya, goes back the next day and lodges crime number 145 of 24 and 29/6/24 at 11:30 a.m. Saying that the incident that has taken place for which the complaint is being filed on 29/6 is an incident that took place the previous day on 28/6/24 at 10 and 10:30 p.m.
All right.
So there's a complaint and a counter complaint. 144.
That is between the private parties.
Between the private parties. I go to inquire from the police what happened to the complaint that was lodged by Lakshmamma because her daughter is admitted to the hospital because her leg is injured. He removes
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಕಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತ್ರ
ಅಲ್ಲ door ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು he throws the door on this Manjula's leg. So the Nagaraj.
ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಯಾರು?
Nagaraj is the husband of the complainant in 145 of 24. He is the accused in the complaint lodged by Lakshmamma. Now your lordship sees, I just go to inquire as a social worker what has happened to this complaint. Now, although this crime number 145 of 2024 is lodged on 29/6/24 at 11:30 a.m., I am not arrested in connection with that because I am named in that complaint. They wait till 11:30 p.m. and arrest me for something that is done under Destruction of Public Properties Act.
You're out on bail now.
I am out on bail now. And your lordship sees on my phone, and please look at petitioner number 9 is the husband of petitioner number 1. My lord, he calls his wife at 11 o'clock, 11:30 and finds that she has not come back from the police station. Her phone is switched off. Therefore, my lord, he comes to the police station just to inquire at 12 o'clock in the midnight. He is also roped in. And your lordship sees I have produced CCTV footage to show that right up to 11 p.m. he is in the house. He boards the vehicle to come to the police station only at 11:45. He is not even there on the scene.
Yes, sir.
And your lordship may kindly look at page 55 for a minute, my lord. The medical record, 55 of Manjula. That is that Lakshmamma's. My lord, please look at the date of admission in the discharge summary, 29/6/24 at 8:36 p.m. Date of discharge 36 at 10:32 p.m. And the history is assault by Nagaraj trespassing on her residence. My lord, fourth item, my lord, after consultant final. And Manjula is also included as one of the accused into the complaint. She is P10. He was in the hospital on that date.
Yes.
Hmm.
Issue, my lord, there is a property dispute
Between all others.
Yes.
Hmm.
The petitioner, along with others, goes to the place.
Police station.
No, also the property.
Hmm.
Therefore, case again booked against her also.
All right.
So grievance of the petitioner is that you did not arrest them. And until you arrest them, we will not leave the police station. They get out of the police station. They
That
had
CCTV footage you
Yes,
have?
yes.
Of the police station?
yes, CCTV footage and videographs also, which
Hmm.
they have recorded and
Hmm.
placing that. The issue, my lord, is as learned senior counsel submitted that the petitioner is a social service person. There are as many cases as 5 cases registered against her in different police stations. All are similar kinds of cases where there the property.
First petitioner.
Yes.
Hmm.
Where the property disputes and go there, trespass, threaten, all these cases have been booked against her. This is
Really?
also one
Where are
such.
the- where are the
Yes,
papers?
I'll place this.
CCTV footage then is there.
Yes, everything is there.
Let me see.
Please.
Yes. We'll take it on Monday.
Monday.
Monday in the fresh matters list. Let this be with.
Yes.
Yes. Heard the learned senior counsel, Jail Vishwanath appearing for the petitioner. The learned learned additional SPP places the investigation papers on record. The same is taken into the file. List on Monday. The interim protection granted shall continue till the next date of hearing. Anyway, you're on bail.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And your lordship has said not to further precipitate. That's okay.
That whatever I have said on that
Please.
till Monday. Next.